Today I will introduce you how to connect this HHT 12 kilowatts 3-phase inverter with our ES Grid high voltage storage battery. Let's take off this shelter. This two cable is used for connection of the inverter with our battery, and the red cable is the positive one, and the black cable connect to the negative points of the battery. The black cable connected to the negative points of a battery. And we take this positive connector into this battery positive terminal in the inverter. Yeah. Okay. And we put this negative connector into the battery negative terminal in the inverter. And this connector has one red cable and one black cable. This red cable connected to BMS can high, and the black cable connected to BMS can low. And this three cable connected to 3 cities, which is used for the measurement of grid 3-phase. And let's put this connector into the COM2 points of the inverter, like this. When we hear was it's success. Next step, let's put this communication data logger into the COM1 points of inverter. Let's take off this cover and put this communication data logger into the points, and let's lock it. Let's put this grid connector into the AC grid point of the terminal. Let's relock it. Yeah, okay. And to open the battery, first we should turn on this DC breaker. Next, we should click this meter button. And we hear was the screen lights up. After we turn on the battery, let's turn on the AC breaker to let the grid in. This screen we can see the power of grid and the power produced today, and the voltage and the current of our battery, and the SOC of our battery, and the voltage and the current of the AC in grid, and the frequency and the grid code of our grid. Let's click this Hypontech Cloud app. and click the login, and click the BSL battery, click the inverter, and this inverter is we introduced today. And click here, click the parameter settings, that's set, and we choose the grid standard according to your country. I'm in China, and then choose this grid standard, confirm. And the next we chose the battery model here, and the Hypontech HV is our battery using now, is the product we are using now. And we can choose 5 work mode here. After we chose the working mode, we can set the time when to charge, when to discharge, like this. This means between 0 to 24. The battery will discharge for all day. And this is a repeated day of 1 week. We can change this to charge mode and confirm. If you want to set energy to the grid, we could set this to the limiting power. That means you can sell 10 kilowatts to grid. Yes. Okay, we are finished.